We all love to iron, blow dry and color our hair for a better look. But these leave our hair to be dry, dull, and brittle. We regret our decision instantly, and look for several remedies, to make our hair restore that natural luster, and softness. Here we have listed 3 amazing DIY hair masks, to treat your dry, dull, and damaged hair. 1. Coconut oil and honey hair mask. Coconut oil is rich in vitamin E, that retains natural protein in the hair, and honey on the other hand, is an emollient rich in antioxidants that seals moisture, prevents hair breakage, and keeps your scalp and hair healthy. For this, mix 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, with 2 tablespoons of honey in a bowl. Apply the mixture in small sections, to your damp hair. Cover it with a shower cap, for about half an hour. Then shampoo, and condition your hair like regular. Repeat once a week, to repair your damaged hair. 2. Banana hair mask. Bananas are great to treat your dry and damaged hair. They are rich in vitamins, potassium, and natural oils which keep your hair moisturized, by protecting natural elasticity of your hair. It also prevents your hair from breakage, and split ends. Overall, it makes your scalp and hair healthy, shiny, smooth, and manageable. For this, mash a ripe banana in a bowl, and add honey and olive oil to it. Mix all the ingredients well. Apply the mixture in small sections, to your damp hair. Cover it with a shower cap, for about half an hour. Then shampoo, and condition your hair like regular. Repeat once a week for best results. 3. Avocado and mayonnaise hair mask. Avocado is rich in amino acids, and proteins that provides moisture to your hair, and also helps in hair growth. Mayonnaise, which is made up of oil and eggs, are great to treat dry hair, as it adds extra moisture to your hair. For this, mash the half of an avocado to form a fine paste. Now, add mayonnaise to avocado paste, and mix well. Apply the paste in small sections to your damp hair, focus mainly at the hair ends. Cover it with a shower cap, for about half an hour. Then shampoo, and condition your hair like regular. Repeat twice a month for best results.